Stop it. One of the best ways you can release cortisol in your system, exercise. Stop balancing cortisol. Knock it off. When we look at cortisol, we see this is a critically important, essential stress hormone. Your body needs to know when it's stressed. And cortisol plays a critical role. When we look at cortisol, I want you to see this. This is brilliant. When we look at cortisol, everybody's like, oh, we want our cortisol very low, right? We want our cortisol very low. No. Cortisol is what we call circadian. What does circadian mean? I'm a professor, I ask questions. Goes ups and downs, particularly with light and dark. Circadian is light and dark. This is when you wake up in the morning. Well, so let's see, about 6 o'clock in the morning, right? We start to see that your cortisol, when you start to wake up, is going to be pretty low, waking up first thing in the morning. It spikes within about 30 minutes. And then slowly, it's going to start to increase. Now, here's the really fascinating part. Cortisol goes sky high before you go to bed, and then slowly starts to come down. All those cortisol tests that everybody's doing, when did they do it during the day? Was it when they first woke up in the morning? Were they doing the spit or doing the urine? Was it within 30 minutes and now it's coming back and says, oh, your cortisol is high? Yeah, no kidding. It's supposed to be high. Wakes you up. If your cortisol is tanked first thing in the morning, you know how you feel? Terrible. Like garbage. Right? You want this circadian change. Now here's something else that's really interesting. This is a 24-hour cortisol profile. So you can see again, 7 in the morning, we see that spike. I want you to see this is, the line underneath is 20 to 29-year-old females. And the line on top is 50-year-old females. What do you notice? It's a little higher. It's a little higher. What else do you notice? Is it following the same pattern?
Yeah.
Yes. There is not a single study on the face of the planet that says it is possible to take your cortisol levels at age 50 and make them look like age 20. Not a single study. But if you have that curve, that's right. That's what you're supposed to be doing. So let's be really careful of our cortisol levels, because what we see is that even if you are slightly higher and you are exercising, you are going to have rapid corrections at night. This is somebody that this is the general circadian rhythm of cortisol.